Friends, here I will be talking about working with multi-line strings. See, we already know how to define or declare a string variable, that is using either single or double quotations, and also we can take triple quotations. That's fine. But here we are working with a string, but that string may consist of number of lines either at input side or at output side. So for that, actually we have different cases. Now let me explain them with a simple example. So here I have taken script name as multi-lines strings.py and already defined 4 strings here. Now if you observe that each string is defined with different quotations. Yes, that is possible and that is a valid one. Now let me save it and run it. So there is no output. First of all, you are not having any print function in your code and there is no error. That means whatever the syntax we follow to define your 4 strings, all those syntaxes are valid ones. That's fine. Now let me take any one of the string. Suppose I am taking first string. Now here my requirement is I want to represent my string in multi lines in your code, but while printing I want to get in one line. See the result. See, suppose I am taking, we know different types of variables in one line in the code and in next line, and now we are working with strings in third line. But while printing I want to print this entire string in one line. Let me try. So see the result first. You are getting syntax error in line number 6 with error as EOL, end of line error. See, this is single quotation and this is single quotation. Between that you are representing a string. But whenever if you want to represent a string using single or double quotations with multi lines, then at the end of each line you have to take one syntax called slash, backslash, that is also called as continuity of a line. So now if you use backslash here, the meaning for that is whatever you are writing in the next line, that is also comes to first line only. Now see the result. I am taking slash here and here. Anyway, for third line you don't need to take, because after third line you don't have any another line. Now let me save it and run it. See the result. You are getting your entire string in one line. So this is the way how we can get a string in one line, even though if you represent your string in multi lines in your code. Then instead of single quotation you can also take double quotation. Save it and run it. Yes, still you are getting your output in one line. So here also, suppose if you remove slash, again you will get syntax error. See the result. Line number 6, syntax error. So you have to use that backslash here. That's fine. Now instead of single or double, I am going with triple quotations. Save it and run it. See the result. Still you are getting same thing, right? But for triple quotation we have one extra feature, that is if you remove this slash, then there is no syntax error and also your output you will get in multi lines. That's it. So if you want to represent your string in multi lines and if you want to get output also in multi lines, use triple quotations. And if you want to represent your string in multi lines in your code, but output if you want to get in single line, you can go with any one of the quotation, either single or double or triple, but for each line at the end just use slash, backslash, continuity, syntax. That's it. Fine. Now let me go with the last one. See, suppose this is our string. Let me take once again that string. So before that let me comment this print. So here we represented our string in one line, but I want to get in multi lines. So for that, if you remember, we have slash n concept. So just include slash n wherever you want to split your string into new line. So here I have given in 2 places slash n in our string 1. Now let me save it and run it. See the result. So up to this first line, because of slash n, your cursor will go to next line. Then and. After that again slash n, because of that your cursor will go to next line. So that's why you're getting this third line. That's it. So this is the way how we can work with a string which consists of multi lines either at input side or at output side. Okay, so be clear, backslash is for continuity of a line, /n for new line, and triple quotes multi-line strings. Basically we will prefer triple quotes for multi-line strings. Of course we can also take triple quotes to represent your string in multi-line and also to get output in one line with the help of backslash. But in real time, triple quotes are used to represent your string in multi lines. That's it. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video.